the brand new tool. We connect web clipper now, that's the jewel. Select any text and I'm feeling real cool. Then dot it to my sheets, making moves like a mule. Got my website tight, automation's the key. From Slack to WhatsApp, I set it up with glee. Just right click and send, yeah, it's so easy. Pabbly's got my back, no need to feel queasy. We connect web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. Now, from Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit asleep. Store, download, let's go. Add that extension now, I'm in the flow. Manage webhooks, set the URL in tow. Trigger events, watch the data grow. But how? From Facebook groups to blogs, I see it cannot. Just select the text and history. Google Sheets is rain, it's also free. How we connect, making life so breezy. How we connect, web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. Now, from Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit asleep. Date and time, URLs all in line. Map it all out, everything's fine. No more copying, pasting, wasting my grind. And that's Pabbly's got my back, it's automation time. Connect web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. Now, from Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit